best SUV floor mats protect interiors from dirt, spills, and while offering easy cleaning for convenience and longevity. My today's video is about top 5 best SUV floor mats with easy cleaning that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Jewelerize Floor Mats Cargo Mat Set. The Jewelerize Custom Fit SUV floor mats are a perfect match for 2023 to 2026 Honda CR-V gas and hybrid models, including LX, EX, EXL, Sport Hybrid, Sport L Hybrid, Sport Touring Hybrid, and Trail Sport Hybrid. Designed for full coverage, these mats protect your SUV's interior from dirt, spills, pet scratches, and daily wear, while high edges prevent liquids from staining the carpet. The set includes durable all-weather TPE mats, cargo mat, and door sill protectors, ensuring long-lasting protection without unpleasant odors, even in extreme temperatures. Waterproof and non-slip. The mats keep cargo stable and can be cleaned effortlessly with a damp towel or rinsed with water, making them ideal for families and pet owners. Hook and loop fasteners secure the backrest mats, preventing displacement during seat adjustments. Crafted with precision 3D laser scanning, Jewelerize guarantees a custom fit. For any issues, their responsive customer service provides reliable solutions. After delivery, leaving mats in sunlight restores their original shape and flexibility. Now our second product is Skechers Car Floor Mats. The Skechers faux leather car floor mats combine luxury, durability, and practicality to elevate your vehicle's interior protection. Crafted from premium faux leather, these mats guard against dirt, spills, and daily wear while adding a sleek, stylish touch. The anti-slip design keeps each mat securely in place, enhancing safety and stability during driving. Waterproof and easy to clean, the surface allows quick removal of dirt or liquid with a simple wipe or rinse, making maintenance effortless. Designed for universal compatibility, this full set fits most SUVs, vans, sedans, and trucks, offering front mats measuring 25.8 by 16.9 inches and rear mats 11.4 by 16.1 inches, providing full coverage for all seating areas. Whether for everyday use or protecting your car during travel, these mats deliver both convenience and peace of mind. Lightweight yet durable, they are perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone looking to maintain a pristine interior. Skechers ensures a thoughtful, practical gift option for friends and relatives who value quality and style. Our third product is Hoclemic Floor Mats. Hoclemic floor mats deliver glove-like precision, designed specifically for 2024 to 2026 Chevrolet tracks, LS/1RS/LT/2RS/active, and 2024 to 2026 Buick Envista models. This complete set includes front and rear floor mats, cargo mat with third backrest mat, left storage mat, and door sill guards, providing comprehensive interior protection. Crafted from odorless, durable TPE material, these mats are safe for families and built to withstand everyday use. Waterproof and non-slip, they handle muddy boots, rain, snow, and wet umbrellas effortlessly, while the flexible surface resists cracking and is easy to clean with a simple wipe. The cargo mat features hook and loop fasteners for secure placement and effortless removal without damaging the original interior. High-edge design prevents liquid overflow, traps dust and debris, and keeps your Chevrolet Trax or Buick Envista interior pristine. Engineered for all-weather protection, Hoclemic mats ensure long-lasting durability, cleanliness, and convenience, making them an essential upgrade for drivers seeking both functionality and style. Now number 4, 3W Floor Mats. The 3W Custom Fit Honda CR-V floor mats are engineered for 2023 to 2026 models, including Hybrid, FCV, Sport, Sport Hybrid, Sport Touring Hybrid, EX, EXL, and LX trims. Designed edge-to-edge, these mats provide maximum coverage, protecting your vehicle from daily wear, spills, and debris. Crafted from high-quality TPE, thermoplastic elastomer, they offer exceptional strength, resilience, durability, and elasticity, ensuring long-lasting performance. Suitable for all seasons, the mats are waterproof, stain-resistant, and anti-slip, shielding your Honda CR-V from rain, slush, snow, and mud, making them ideal for both harsh winters and hot summers. Made from non-toxic, odorless materials, they maintain a safe and comfortable interior environment for you and your family, even under high temperatures. Cleaning is effortless. Simply rinse with water or wipe with a damp towel to remove dust, sand, or dirt. With 3Ws professional after-sales support and precise fit, these floor mats combine practicality, safety, and style for every Honda CR-V owner. And our last choice is MotorTrend FlexTough floor mats. MotorTrend's FlexTough car floor mats deliver superior all-weather protection, keeping your vehicle's interior safe from snow, rain, mud, and daily messes. Crafted from a heavy-duty proprietary rubber blend, these mats are built to last, resisting cracking, deformation, and wear even under rigorous use. Their universal fit design molds to most vehicle interiors, with front mats measuring 27-inch LX20W and rear mats 51 LX14W, providing broad coverage for both driver and passenger areas. The innovative trim-to-fit feature allows customization to perfectly match your vehicle's floor, ensuring edge-to-edge protection. Flexible yet durable, these mats stay in place while driving and shield the carpet from spills, dirt, and grime. Maintenance is effortless. Simply wipe clean with soap and water, and they look as good as new. Combining practicality, durability, and convenience, MotorTrend's FlexTough mats are an essential upgrade for any car owner seeking reliable, year-round interior protection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.